Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name's Jansen Fancher with MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. We just took in this 2022 Cobalt R8 in on trade. It's powered by a 380 horsepower Volvo Penta. You got this swim step here, this lounger that will come back, then you've got this that will fold up here, ski pylon there, tow point there, and then this adjusts. Batteries and huge storage underneath here. Cooler on this side. Ski tow locker there. You've got dual screens. Only 16 hours on this boat. You do have a good sized day head. And great bow seating. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. My number is 573-365-5382. Thank you and have a great day.